Well, we got 14 yards of manure getting delivered today. 3 giant piles of shit. Steaming in the early morning hours. Oh, wonderful. We're gonna create 2 new flower beds today inside. So lots of wheelbarrow work ahead of us. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the first load of manure into the new beds. We got Sven back by popular demand. You remember him last year? Well, he's returned to shovel the shit. And we're gonna start at this end of the new stone bed. Fill that up right to pool deck level and continue going all the way down here and across this bed too. So we have way more soil than we need, but we're gonna top dress the lawn and give some much needed food to some of these beds. It's the best kind of chaos here in my studio this morning at like 8:15 a.m. Nobody's here, so it's just us. I'll give you a quick tour. This crate here is heading to Ontario. This sculpture and this flower bud too. She's going to be holding it in Elora, Ontario, of all places, which is a small town, but a beautiful one, and especially in the summer. So it's going to be there for the summer. And behind it, the diver. Remember him? Well, he was all cracked after last summer. So I've repaired him over the winter and now he's fixed. I think he's stronger than he used to be. Certainly his flippers are. They used to be copper and that just cracked and fell off, but this is much tougher. It's got some flex. Yeah, so thing here. Working on this canvas revision, hopefully for Earth Day. We'll see if that can be finished by April 20th. It's a goal, but the crate's higher priority. So I'm gonna put you down here and go get some wood. Can I pull out your molar? This must be a 100-year-old molar puller, useful in the studio. But I got some felt here from Dollarama. I'm gonna cut it up and place it underneath the steel support for this gathering sea goddess, to hopefully soak up any kind of shock that this crate will experience from here to Ontario. I've never done this before, so I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go. Well, a week after delivery, we've got a little under half left. The owner's coming home in a couple weeks. We should be able to get rid of it by then. 4 guys are using wheelbarrows. We got 3 wheelbarrows. I think most of that will go on the top of this wall. It's starting to sink between the sarcophagus, so we can put a lot there. But we're top dressing all the beds. You can see this one looking nice. That one's half done. This one's still to be done. This one's still to be done. All through here. But this has been done here. Very nice looking. All this. Very nice looking. That still needs to be done. You can see the difference between that and that. Oh, much nicer. This whole lawn's gonna get top dressed. Underneath the Japanese maples have already got it. And then our stone wall has been completely infilled. It's finished. A lot of the plants have been moved back to the center of the bed. Little bit of a new retaining wall there, so we can bring the soil level right up to the pool deck. On the other side, still a bit of a mess here in the rain. But the wall looks beautiful. It'll clean up really nice. And I think it's going to be a awesome display this summer. I can't wait. But right now it's gross and I'm going home. All right, until next time.